YouTube, what's happening? It's your guy Hitch. Happy Air Max month to everybody. Air Max Day is around the corner on March 26th. And typically for Nike, that's a celebration of Air Maxes. In the past, they normally would have releases, even some social events, but with that Rona lingering, there ain't gonna be no social events. So social distance your ass in the house. They are going to have some releases though, like the Air Max 2090s, and then they're going to have the Air Max 90s in the reverse duck camo. Those go hard. But for today, we're looking at these Air Max 1s. This is the second colorway out of the DNA Ch.1, which they're taking the Huarache colorways and putting them on Air Maxes, and then taking the Air Max colorways and putting them on Huaraches. The first colorway that dropped back in January was the Scream Green on the Air Max 1s, and then the white University Reds on the Huaraches. And I did want those, but I already got the Scream Green Remix Huarache, so I figured these were going to be a must cop for me. As far as the first colorway goes, with the Scream Green Air Max 1s and the white University Red Huaraches, they actually sold them as a pack first, and then afterwards they released them separately. The pack was like $350, which is nuts, but neither sold well. If you do want the Scream Green Air Max 1s, you can actually get them on Nike.com right now for less than $100. They're on sale. If you got questions about it, hit the comments or follow me on Instagram, send me a DM, and I got you. As far as these go, these are the white, black, and court purples, and I don't have a release date for the US yet. They released overseas for $120, and they're selling pretty well over there. Whenever they come to the US, once I see a date, I will provide it to you in the description of this video, and the retail should still be $120. I like how Nike took the Huarache details and implemented it into the Air Max 1 silhouette seamlessly. Starting with the leather, you have supple leather.
Supple leather, you know. You ever rub your leather? You know, like just rub it, see how good it feels?
The white leather is running from the toe throughout the upper and wrapping around the heel. In the midfoot area, you're going to notice some more Huarache details with the lacing system, as it has the dual lacing eyelets. On your toe box, you have good white mesh, just like your Huaraches, flat white laces, and behind the white lacing will be your Huarache tongue. You have the black mesh, and then you have the Nike Air Max tag at the top in white, black, and purple. The Huarache details get even better in the back half of the shoe, starting in the midfoot area with the purple mesh. When you get to your heel, you have the black and the purple mesh around the heel collar. That purple mesh also is the inside lining, which matches the insole with your Nike Air logo in white. But my favorite part is going to be the rubberized material that they use on the swoosh, and that's going to be on your lateral and your medial sides in black. And then lastly, the thick rubberized material on the heel in purple, where you also have your Nike Air logo. There isn't going to be any Huarache detailing on the midsole, as the midsole is going to be white with your clear Air Max unit. On your outsole, it is black, but you have that Huarache detail again with the purple font where it says Nike Air. In the beginning of the video, I said it, that these were a must cop for me, and I know some of you guys may not agree, but I don't give a damn. For me, personally, must cop. I'm a fan of Air Max 1s. I love Huaraches. You take them both, put them together, and you get a great shoe, great materials. I can't complain. What I can't do is say enough about the materials used. The leather is great. The leather is soft, mesh is good, rubberized materials, no complaints from me. Sizing, these are true to size. I got these in 8.5, they fit great and they're comfortable. When it comes down to a rating, on a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to go with a 4, a steady 4. I thought about doing a 4.5, but I'm going to go to 4. Let me know you guys' thoughts. Like I said before, I will update this video, the description, and letting you guys know as soon as I find out any more release details for the US. Also, just follow me on IG, DM me if you got any questions, and stay your ass in the crib. It's all about social distancing until the Rona is gone. In the meantime, I am out. I'm gonna go sit my ass on the couch.
From terror to rock, smooth criminal and gambling spots. Shoot dice to kill time, life Hannibal watch. Be careful where you bustin' your box. Narcos got the drop from snitching niggas with their hands in the pot. We was